This is a clock. I'm sure you've seen a clock before. The long hand is the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. And this is the second hand. This is the one that counts seconds. We measure time in hour and minutes. Okay? The easiest way to tell the time is to start from the big hand. Whenever the long hand points at 12, it is o'clock. The short hand is pointing at 3, so this is 3 o'clock. Why is it 3 o'clock? It is 3 o'clock because the long hand is pointing at 12 and 12 means o'clock. Then the short hand is pointing at 3. So this is 3 o'clock. Okay? Good. This is 4 o'clock. Why? The long hand is pointing at 12. It is what? O'clock. Then the short hand is pointing at 4, which is 4. So this becomes 4 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock, right? Good. Why is it 5 o'clock? Can you tell me? The long hand is pointing at 12, which means o'clock. The short hand is pointing at 5, so it is 5 o'clock. What time is it? 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 Good. Now give me high five. Give me another high five.